Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Trav again with Trading Lifestyles. Today, 6/22/2025. We're moving on to /ES review. Again, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Moving forward, we just finished covering NQ. I wanted to go ahead and move on to ES. This is what I see for our upcoming week for ES, starting on the 1 hour. Very similar to the NQ. This is basically a hit of consolidation. I like to kind of start from top-down analysis. Excuse me. The 4 hour is pushing up, as you can see. This is an upward direction. All right. You can take a look at that here. It's pretty simple. All right, we are trading upward. All right, it is best practices to always trade with the trend. All right, let's remove this and let's remove this puppy here. All right, let's try it again. Remove drawing. There we go. All right, 4 hour trend is heading upward. As you can see, looks like we did hit consolidation. I'm going to get a little bit closer on that on the 1 hour, just to kind of get a breakdown and an overall look. It looks like we came up to this pocket of consolidation. If you can see here, it's just basically a pattern again, very similar to my video on NQ today. Bouncing off of your lows, rejecting from your highs, back down to the lows, back up to the highs. This is a very strong consolidation period. Very choppy in here. When consolidation, rule of thumb, at least for me. All right, now everyone is entitled to their own trading. All right, this is just my insights. I will say this: in consolidation periods, never trade the middle. All right, only trade the extreme highs and extreme lows. When something is down here, you always want to buy. When something is up here, you always want to sell. It's pretty much a pattern. That's consolidation. Consolidation is a fancier way of saying this is a concise area where price is just bouncing off of lows, bouncing off of highs, bouncing off of lows, bouncing off of highs, bouncing off of lows, bouncing off of highs, bouncing off of lows. And it keeps happening and repeating until something breaks. Either it will break down or it will break up. Okay. If you do trade consolidation, I will say this again: do not trade the middle. Do not trade the middle. Only trade the extreme highs or the extreme lows. Trust me, that simple information will save you a lot of money, headaches, heartaches, heartbreaks. Trust me when I tell you, do not trade the middle of a consolidation period. I do not care what happens. Do not trade this. Only trade the extreme highs and the extreme lows. All right, moving on. We're going to go down to the 15-minute. This is now we're starting to get into the nooks and crannies of this chart. I do see that there is a downtrend right now forming. Very beautiful candle coming out of the support. Very strong, very strong. As you can see prior, every time it comes down here, it gets bought up, boom. Every time it comes up here, gets sold off, boom. So we're going to keep following this pattern. All right. Strong candle lets me know that buying is interested. If you can notice here, there's a gap. All right, this happened on Friday. This opened up Sunday. There's a gap that needs to get filled, and this is in most cases you have people that trade gaps as a strategy. You have swing traders. You know, if you wanted to swing, you know, in some cases, swinging is really profitable. You have overnight traders. A lot of people could take advantage of this gap here. Again, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, I am a 930 trader. Though this looks very good, kudos to those who take it. I kind of like to stick to my guns and to my system. I suggest that you create a set of rules and you stick to them as well. It'll save you a lot of heartache and a lot of money. But nonetheless, this is an opportunity that I see. Very strong buying candle coming off of here, and potentially looking to close this gap more than likely. And we'll see what happens overnight. This is the ES. If you are interested in trading this, again, Uh, Great opportunity right now, potentially for a swing back up. Um, that's really all I see. Trade the extreme lows and extreme highs. That's it.